In this video, I'll show you 5 fascinating TV uses that I wish I had known sooner. You know that lockdown totally made binge watching TV shows the new norm, but your TV can do way more than just play Friends or The Office.
No, God!
By the end of this video, your TV is not only entertaining but selected to boost your productivity up to 100%. I'm Tire Tech supported. Let's get started. With modern TVs featuring high resolution and refresh rates, they're just not screens but game enhancers, elevating your experience with vivid graphics and immersive audio. To me, a general gaming guru, the experience of playing Call of titles like Moving Out with friends in front of TV screen is not just fascinating but pure, unadulterated joy. So, how to do it? You can either connect or cast your gaming PC, even the mobile phone, to the TV screen. But what if you're unsure about the right cables or connections? Well, most TVs now support HDMI, which is compatible with gaming laptop devices. Or you may be concerned about lag when casting. To ensure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network, or if your TV supports it, activate gaming mode to reduce input lag for smoother experience. Keep in mind this, because in the few sections ahead, it will definitely help you do many things you wanted with the TV. If you're an Airbnb host or simply wish to welcome guests warmly, turning that boring TV screen to complement your interior can significantly elevate your living room's aesthetics. Yeah, instead of either screen, why not masterpiece? Personally, I love Roku's Screensaver collection, which ranges from vibrant aquatic display to one with hidden Easter eggs. My friend Lynn also did a video on unpacking those hiddens. Let's check the one in here. However, you don't need a specific brand for stunning screensavers. YouTube has a vast array catering to any style you desire. Your TV isn't just for shows, it's an aesthetic centerpiece. Pair a dynamic screensaver with soft music, and you instantly elevate the mood of your space. Okay, let's change the vibe a little bit. You might still remember TVs were the centerpiece of the karaoke setups, but seems to be extremely clunky at the time. Today, minimalism is king. Your entire karaoke station, just your smart TV paired with a karaoke mixer like this one I have right here. Modern smart TVs deliver stellar audio, with many featuring Dolby Atmos compatibility for surround sound. Combine this with a quality karaoke mixers. Today I'm showcasing you the MI30 Reup, and you've got on-the-fly audio adjustment at your fingertips. Open YouTube or your preferred karaoke app, search for your song's karaoke version, and you're set. This is truly the key selling point when you can access a wide range of options for your karaoke. Those entertaining abroad are great. What if I told you that you can get more productive and more fit with your TV? That's exactly what we will talk about right now. So after a long binge watching, it should be the time for stretching your body, and this TV can turn into your workout partner. Thanks to the high resolution and expansive screen size, you can immerse yourself into riveting solo workout routines. Perhaps traditional methods left you feeling frustrated, whether it was dealing with a clunky phone in your pockets or constantly switching between the workout apps and the timer. Plus, it can feel a bit lonely, isn't it? Imagine streaming dynamic workouts and actively participating simultaneously on your TV. For me, this was a bridge back to gym post-lockdown. The vivid, expansive display ensures you catch every moment in crystal clear, high-definition fitness video. With the exercise, YouTube will give you a wide range of options for workout routines. Let's give it a shot once this video wraps up. This session, I'll deliver on my promise, how your TV can enhance productivity by serving as a second screen. This TV use enable effective multitasking. Just imagine you were starting on one tab with a YouTube tab next by. Freaking hard to focus, right? So with this TV use as a promise can boost your productivity very much by differentiating screen tabs. For example, you can utilize the multi-screen by streaming a tutorial or lectures on TV as a reference screen, and then take notes on the main screen on your laptop. There are 3 ways to get multi-screen like this: by wireless casting via Chromecast, Miracast, or connecting via HDMI cable. To quickly cast a single Google Chrome tab to a TV display via built-in Chromecast features, on the Chrome browser tab, select 3 dots menu. Go to Cast in the drop-down menu. Click on Sources button. You see 2 options, Cast tab and Cast screen. Click the option you wanted. Select your TV name from the device list. Then you see your laptop screen or Chrome tabs on the TV. Or with the Miracast, you can project the entire screen from your windows. Navigate Settings, Bluetooth and Devices. Click Add Device. Choose Wireless Display or Dock. Select your display would enable Miracast from the list. After choosing, wait for your laptop screen to appear. Ensure the correct device is connected. Follow easy step and your TV is now an extended work or study station. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to support our team. Maybe if you have any feeling for this video or ideas for us, please drop a comment down below and let us know. Thanks for tuning in, catch you in the next video. Peace out.